started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kathleen Hart here. This is my motherhood and lifestyle channel. Today's video, we're doing a quick nap time clean with me. It is 3 o'clock. I'm a little nervous because Austin's been waking up from his afternoon nap like a little bit early. So I'm hoping I can get everything done that I want to get done. Didn't know, I'm also 38 weeks pregnant. So we'll see how much I can actually get done with the motivation and the breath capacity that I have right now, which is 0.0. My plan is to straighten up the kitchen, which is right here, straighten up my living room, which as you saw isn't too bad. We had doctor's appointments this morning, so I'm hoping the toys aren't too out of control. They just need to be picked up and organized a little bit. And then my dining room, same thing, pick up. The main goal is to clean up this area. So if you guys like these videos, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Everything on this channel between motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, cooking, pregnancy life, bump life, and then soon to come, newborn life. So subscribe, like, let's get going. I cannot afford to waste any more time.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances, I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need.
So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope I gave you guys some cleaning motivation. Not gonna lie, I'm hot. It is now 62 degrees outside. I'm pretty sure that's what I said in the beginning, but it feels a lot hotter in here. I even had to take off my sweater, but I feel great. I got my heart rate pumping, 38 weeks pregnant. I'm proud of myself for doing this. I'm glad I didn't just sit and scroll on my phone. So that's why I hope I gave you guys some cleaning motivation to get out there and just straighten up, do a quick clean. This took me a little over an hour, but I'm a little slow right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and please have an awesome, wonderful, positive day. Go spread some positivity to somebody else, and I will see you guys really soon with a new video. Bye, everybody.